Yep, it's true. We are living in the future. AI and ChatGPT has taken the world by storm. Everything's getting so much smarter, including chatbots. They're getting really smart. So my name's Corey, and our agency would love to help you step into the 21st century. Our AI-powered chatbots are the ultimate tool for businesses looking to improve their customer experience, streamline their operations, and also increase efficiency. Now with chatbots, your customers will receive quick and easy answers to inquiries 24/7, freeing up your customer service team's valuable time so you can focus on really what matters, more complex issues. Now, in addition to providing excellent customer support, our chatbots can also automate routine tasks like appointment scheduling, order tracking, and payment processing, which saves you a ton of time and reduces risk and errors. But that's not all. Our chatbots can also be programmed to provide personalized product recommendations and targeted marketing messages. It can help you increase your sales and customer engagement. So, with AI, the natural language process capabilities, our chatbots can provide valuable data on customer behavior and sentiment, which can help you decide your future product development and your marketing strategies. So just by simply responding to customer inquiries, our chatbots demonstrate that your business really cares about their customers and it's actively working to improve customer experience. This leads to increased customer satisfaction, way more positive reviews, and much higher customer engagement. Now, I want to make sure I'm clear here. The chatbot order you place today is for installing an AI chatbot into your existing Go High Level account or Launch account. Now, we are an agency, so if you do not have an existing Go High Level or a Launch account, we can go ahead and get you set that up. We can get that set up for you with a really low cost base account without all the functionality that you would be used specifically for your bot in addition to the base price we listed. However, it is very inexpensive and absolutely worth it when you come to understand how impressive Go High Level and how impressive Launch software is. And once you see the magic of the automation with this chatbot, you'll likely want to open up all the features using our agency. And we're happy to help you with that. So I also wanted to be clear that chatbots, they can be very basic and also super complex at the same time. It really depends on what you want. The smarter the bot and the smarter the functionality, the higher the level of complexity and the more work is involved in setting it up. Now we can do all sorts of super cool stuff like train your AI bot to fully understand your business model. We can book appointments, take payments, turn it basically into an employee, but that all takes time. So we are very happy to listen to your needs and provide you a quote for more complex bots, or you can also take our installed bot and add features yourself. It's totally up to you, but just know that by ordering a chatbot from us, it's not unlimited functionality. Like if you order a chatbot for a couple $100, we're not going to work on it for a week or a month, okay? It's a couple of hours worth of work for us. So look, our AI-powered chatbots are a really valuable investment for any business looking to improve customer experience, increase efficiency, and gain really valuable insights into their customers. So why wait? Go ahead and order your chatbot today, and you're going to see these benefits for yourself. Feel free to message us with questions or request a quote at any time. All right? Look forward to seeing you. Hope you have an awesome day.